Hi guys, and today here I'm here with you guys with a very amazing content. Okay, in this video I'm going to prove the total surface area and curved surface area of a sphere and a hemisphere are wrong. I'm saying a big thing, but I'm going to prove them. So first, let's take the area of circle. Means you will understand by circle. First, let us derive the circle area of circle, and this is my main I think tool to prove the area of sphere and the hemisphere as wrong. So let's derive this area of circle first. See friends, the area of circle, if you take a circle, there will be a center and you will have many circumference, okay, in this manner, many concentric circles in it. Yes, no, we can see that in this way, in this way, in this way, one after another, one after one another. If this is the 2 pi r, this will the inner circle will also be having the same. So if we cut the circumference in the middle, and if we take this last circumference, and if we take it as a thread like this, in this manner, if we take it as a thread like this, it will be coming in this manner. Okay, if we take the last 2 pi r thing, and the next circumference, the next inner circumference will be just a little smaller than this one, and the inner one, then this will be just little smaller, inner smaller, smaller, and finally you get the dot center. So what you can see is, you can see a triangle here. Triangle will be formed here. So the last base would be 2 pi r, and if you want to find the area of triangle, it is 1 by 2 into base into height. So what is the base here? Base is 2 pi r. Base 1 by 2 into 2 pi r into height. What is height? Height is the same of this one. Okay, same. I am taking this one, and keeping here, I am taking the inner circumference. So the height will be the radius of the circle. So 2 pi r into r. So half of that cancels. 2 pi r into r, pi r square. Sorry, pi r into r, you get a pi r square. We all know this is the area of circle is pi r square. Now if I come to sphere, in the same manner, let's go to hemisphere first. So imagine a ball. I'm holding a ball. It's a cut ball, hemisphere, half ball. Friends, imagine it in 3D way. I'm showing in a 2D manner. If I cut this ball here, I'll cut in this much shapes. I'll cut them. Okay, I'll cut them. At last, somewhere at the point, I'll get only a point, a dot. Okay, if I cut them in this manner, I'll cut them one by one. I'll get a circle. The last, if I cut this part, I'll be getting a circle at the bottom. See if you see from the bottom, I'll get a circle, and the next one will be a smaller circle than this one. It will be a smaller circle than this one. It will be the above this one will be the smaller circle than this one. The above will be a smaller circle, the above will be small, and at last this point, the last point will be a point here, in the same manner. So what is the total surface area? This circle, if this circle is there, the circumference of this circle will be this, means in the other dimensions. See, in front it is this much, and in the back dimensions it is still more, it is curved, and I am showing it in this manner. It will be in this manner. So what will be TSM? The circumference of all the circles will be the area of this hemisphere. So if I cut this down, and as in the same manner as I took in the circle, I'll get the last one as in this much, and smaller than that, smaller, and finally I'll get a dot. So this is gonna be a triangle, and the base is 2 pi r. As the base is 2 pi r, and the height, you can see the height. I'm taking this height as it is a radius, I'm taking this height as r, and as you know, area of triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. 2 get cancels, and pi r into r, you get a pi r square. Friends, I'm saying it is a pi r square. The curved surface area of hemisphere is pi r square, but in our textbooks, generally in our textbooks we all have the area of hemisphere as 2 pi r square. Is it right?
feeling proud Indian army jang ke मैदान में कदे ना हारते हो
And I'm saying that I'm be contradicting this contradicts and this contradict spelling wrong contradicts अरे साला and this contradicts and this contradicts this method. And now you can see in the same way sphere also sphere. This half will be the hemisphere, and this half will be the hemisphere in the same manner. This as I told, it is pi r square. It will be also pi r square, and this will also be pi r square. So total pi r square plus pi r square, it will be 2 pi r square. So but I think the TSA of circle, that sphere, is 4 pi r square in our textbooks, and this also contradicts. And if you see the curved surface area of hemisphere, what is total surface area of hemisphere, TSA of hemisphere, will be in our textbooks it's given as 3 pi r square na. But here I proved it is a pi r, the curved surface area is pi r square, and the bottom down circle area will be pi r square. Pi r square plus pi r square is 2 pi r square na. So TSA of hemisphere is going to be 2 pi r square. Friends, I know it's confusing, but see, I'm contradicting these formulas here. It's something at next level na. I think it's gonna be amazing. Really, it's amazing. I know it. So I think this is what I wanted to tell you in this content. And friends, one more thing which I forgot to tell you is, please share this video yaar. I'm proving this method is wrong, formula is wrong. You have to share this, or else you are doing a very bad thing. Means our future generation should understand that formulas are wrong. They are wrong. Yeah. Send it, share this video to everyone. Share, leave it in every WhatsApp group. Your each and every personal number of WhatsApp, put it in status, Instagram में post करो. It should, Facebook should be full of this one. Please share this video. If you want amazing content in this manner, so of course you have to give like to this video, and you have to, if you want to get any more good contents in this manner, you have to obviously subscribe. You have to subscribe to my channel, and but the main thing I want is share this video, share and share. Bye, tata, bye.